Hello students, today we are going to discuss the second numerical of municipal solid waste. Question is given as 50 gram of carbon dioxide and 25 grams of methane are produced from the decomposition of municipal solid waste with a formula weight of 120 gram. It means that the formula weight of municipal solid waste is 120 gram. Now what is the average per capita greenhouse gas production in a city of 1 million people with a municipal solid waste production rate of 500 ton per day? Okay. Now we will see the solution of this question, that is the total municipal solid waste weight is 120 gram. Okay, now its formula weight is 120 gram. Now the greenhouse gases which is produced from municipal solid waste is greenhouse gases produced from municipal solid waste is produced from MSW is carbon dioxide and methane, that is CO2 plus CH4. Okay, now its weight is given as 50 gram and 25 gram. So 75 grams of greenhouse gases will be produced from total municipal solid waste. Okay, now we can say that in 120 gram of municipal solid waste there will be 75 grams of greenhouse gases. Okay, there will be 75 grams of greenhouse gases. Now the total municipal waste production is 500 ton per day. Okay, now we need to find for 500 ton per day. So for 500 ton municipal solid waste production, what will be the greenhouse gas production? It will be equals to 500 into 10 to the power 6. We had converted it ton into gram into 75 divided by 120. That will be the greenhouse gas present in the 500 ton of municipal solid waste. Now its value will be equals to 312.5 into 10 to the power 6 gram per day. Now that will be the total greenhouse that will be produced from 500 tons of municipal solid waste. Now we need to find the per capita average production of greenhouse gases. Okay, now we need to calculate the per capita average production of greenhouse gases. So it will be equals to the total greenhouse gases produced, that will be 312.5 into 10 to the power 6 gram per day. Now we need to divide this value by the total population. Okay, and the total population will be 1 million, so we need to divide it with the 1 into 10 to the power 6. So its value comes out to be 312.5 gram per day of municipal solid waste greenhouse gases. Okay, now the per capita average production of greenhouse gases will be 312.5 gram per day. That will be the final answer of this question. Thank you very much, students.